5 ways to use mobile marketing in your business. The stats are in and they are all pointing to one thing. People love their mobile phones and they are using them to go online. A recent study found that 36% of people access their internet from their mobile phone at least once in 30 days. The same study found that more than half of the online people were likely to access the internet via their mobile phones in the coming 12 months. So, how can you use this to help your business expand? Here are 5 mobile marketing strategies you can use to target clients and prospect on their phones. Why should you care? With the rapid growth in mobile internet usage, there are a high likelihood that a growing percentage of your website visitors are accessing your site via their smartphones or tablets, and that means you need a mobile optimized website to maximize your conversion online. SMS marketing. One of the fastest and easiest way to begin your mobile marketing campaign is through SMS marketing. All that's required is a database of mobile phone numbers that you have permission to market to and something you can offer them. If you already have a database of customers that have purchased from you in the past or prospect that have shown interest in your product or services, then you have already completed the most difficult part of this strategy. The next step is to develop a special offer and communicate it into your database to entice them to take action. There is a 160 character limit to SMS message length in your phones. Your call to action should also be limited to about 135 character to allow for the compulsion option of outcome mechanism. Mobile web design. A mobile website is essential for most mobile marketing strategy. Mobile users often find it difficult to read full-size website even on the large screen now available in smartphones, and full-size website often include larger image and file size designed to be used on high-speed internet connection. This factor can make it difficult to view a website when away from a computer. But with mobile website, you are able to present your website's information in an easy to read and easy to navigate website that is compatible with your visitor's mobile device and much faster to download and go. While SMS marketing can be implemented without a mobile website, having one can allow you to integrate the mobile site into your short messages. You can even set up mobile landing pages target to your SMS offer. Importantly, mobile website also allows you to take advantage of the other mobile marketing platform currently available. Google AdWords for mobile. Many of us already use Google AdWords for online advertising purposes because it provides a great way to target potential customers that are interested in your specific product or services. Google AdWords now allows targeting to users on mobile device within the campaign setting. And with 73% of mobile internet users now conducting online searches, AdWords is definitely one of the top mobile advertising platform available. In application advertising, advertising method is relatively new and still primarily used by larger campaign for branding purpose. The sheer volume of user makes this a valuable method of marketing to prospect now and in future. And with performance tracking similar to that in AdWord, a well designed strategy could provide ample benefit to your business. QR codes and image scanning. Many of you may have heard of or even use barcode scanning in reference to mobile marketing innovation. This technique involves the installation of QR code readers on smartphones. Once installed, users are able to take photos on the barcode available in print media and be directed to the information corresponding to the specific barcode, such as company's listing or a mobile website. However, a competing feature currently being tested by Google is the use of Google's enables print ad. Google's is an image recognition software features built into Google application on iPhone and Android devices. It works simply by allowing advertisers to list the print media they will be using to advertise and then connecting it to relevant information such as videos or website. Users are then able to take photos of the print media and are then presented with the corresponding information listed by advertisers, much like the QR code functionality available now. What's next? With all the new mobile technology available and the new innovation due to be released in next 12 months, now is the perfect time to get your mobile marketing strategy underway. More and more people are depending more on their mobile devices, and it is essential for the growth of your business to get started as soon as possible. Thanking you. For more info, log on to www.idastech.com.